new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make my house seasoning and how to make my taco seasoning. House seasoning, you need a 1/4 cup of seasoned salt, a cup of regular salt, a 1/2 cup of onion powder, a 1/2 cup of garlic powder, and a 1/2 cup of black pepper. You want to put this in an airtight container and shake it. And you want to store it in this airtight container at room temperature. For my taco seasoning, you need a 1/2 cup of chili powder, a 1/4 cup of onion powder, an 1/8 cup of ground cumin, also need a tablespoon of garlic powder, one tablespoon of paprika, one tablespoon of smoked paprika, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Then you want to just shake this up and keep this in an air dry container at room temperature.